we talking about? Now I've got you under my skin, I feel it's melting. You got my body feeling things even I can't resist. No, I can't resist.
Had it for breakfast this morning, guys. It's a beautiful morning. I love it here so much. Tomorrow we leave, and so today is our last day officially in Aruba, and so we're actually gonna head to the Flamingo Beach at the Renaissance Wind Creek Resort, if I'm not mistaken. Hopefully I said that right, but we're gonna see the flamingos, which is something that I've been told that's what you have to do when you come to Aruba, is to see the flamingos. It's like a big thing. Me and my sister, we're gonna do that today. And so we'll take you guys with us. So, see you soon. Different areas. Some is like Mediterranean, some is South American. I tried. Cocktails all day, every day. We're getting on the gondola headed towards the Flamingo Island. We're so excited. We're gonna give you trouble. Headed to see the flamingos, guys. So I stopped here at Bar Mangrove here on the Renaissance Wind Creek Island with the flamingos, and I'm having a pina colada. The views are nice. I love it here. Love it here, guys. So just give you guys some cute little updates, and I'll be back with you.
Didn't I warn you not to? Didn't I warn you good? Maybe we couldn't help it. Maybe we never should.
So I am here at Mangrove. You guys can see it. Here on the Renaissance Island. It's so beautiful here, guys. You guys must come here. I had a pina colada and one shot, and I'm feeling myself for sure. Guys, this place is absolutely gorgeous. Renaissance Wind Creek. They have a, I guess we would call it private island. I bought a day pass, which was $125 per person, and you can stay all day. So it goes from like 7 a.m. to about 7 p.m. and right now it's about 6 p.m. and we're gonna stay till 7, obviously, but you can do whatever you want. I love it here, guys, so definitely come here.
Cut your teeth on the lack of answers, and you come back home and it don't feel the same. Well, I played words onto a page for you, and you never knew my name.
And I found a little gym, 2 hammocks just for me to enjoy this afternoon or enjoy this evening. The sun is setting, so we'll probably watch the sunset from here. It's so peaceful, it's serene over here. I'm gonna stay here for the rest of the day, guys, so bye. Oh my God.
Didn't I make it harder? Didn't I leave you there?
at the Renaissance. Just got off the boat. Sit by the pool for a little bit and take pictures. So I just want to show you guys my outfit. Resorts here in Aruba, and behind me is Baby Beach. Today is such a beautiful day. I think I'm gonna go out in the water. Today is a hot day or a hot morning, and so I think I'm just gonna have it be a water day today. Apparently there's like 3 or 4 pools here. I'm gonna try to hit all of them up. I'll see you guys soon. Maybe $6.50 a night, and I found that at a discounted rate. I'm staying inside of the junior suite, but yeah, I've been spending most of my time just outside. It's so pretty here, guys. Like, it's so amazing. Baby Beach, I hear that's one of the most beautiful beaches here on the island, and luckily I have a view right here on my resort. And so I'm gonna head down there and I'm gonna take you guys with me. So